People chicken price skyrocket. Somebody said to me I cook one drunk.
Where the blood clot this? How where the blood clot this?
Right there, so. Clean up the drunk, bust the belly and take everything outside. Believe me, people, it kind of frenzy, but me I work punny. So me got a book now. Chop it up fine, cause me say me a curry, but me change my mind and say me a brown stew it. So me I put every season me can find and put pan it. I don't really know what season put pan drunk meat. So me just I work with everything where me have in my cabinet. Don't mind me, people. You can't use what you want to use, but me use what me want to use. Because I want to get rid of the front smell. Right there, so. After me go some up now, I season it up and throw it up. People, me say drunk out tough.
Blood clot! No, sir!
All me a fright. All me a do to it. Me throw water upon it. Me do everything. The drunk are still tough, people. Me not tell no lie. It take a while. So I must decide to me I put it in a pressure cooker to see me can get it tenderized. So I must say radam. Put in a pressure cooker, so I get it tenderized. Cut on my season in meanwhile, because you know, food have a season to the bone. You know what I mean? What's a boop now? Take it out the pressure cooker. People, it smell frozen same way, but it cannot tender now. People, hey, me I tell you, it will come right down to the bone. Me I tell people, you know want to see this? Keep watching this video. Me I tell you how it tastes afterwards. Right there, so.
Brother, where you come from?
Ah!